Big news is shaking up the crypto world today, and we've got everything you need to know. Tether has launched a new US stablecoin. Gemini had a big IPO. There are also major political shifts in the UK and the US. Plus, we have the latest Bitcoin and altcoin prices. Let's dive in. First, and most important, Tether is rolling out a new stablecoin called USAT. This new token is built to meet US stablecoin rules. Unlike USDT, it avoids years of doubts about reserves and transparency. It will be issued through a U.S. chartered bank and backed entirely by safe assets like U.S. Treasuries. There will be monthly reserve disclosures and even annual audits. This is a big step because the United States just passed the Genius Act, which lays out strict guidelines for stablecoins. Tether clearly doesn't want to be left behind. If USAT launches smoothly, it could dominate the American market and put pressure on competitors like Circle's USDC. Next headline, Gemini's IPO has blown past expectations. The Winklevoss twins exchange just raised over $425 million, pricing shares above the original range. Demand was so strong that it was oversubscribed more than 20 times. That kind of excitement shows that investors are ready to back crypto companies again, even in public markets. After months of uncertainty, this is a sign of renewed confidence in the sector. Now over to Wall Street. Nasdaq is pushing to allow tokenized securities trading. If the SEC gives the green light, traditional assets like stocks and bonds could become blockchain tokens. This would ensure full legal protections for them. This could change markets a lot. You'd see faster settlement times, lower fees, and more access for investors. If this gets a green light, the U.S. could lead the world in merging traditional finance with blockchain. Let's talk politics because regulations are moving fast. Major industry groups in the UK want the government to add blockchain and digital assets to the upcoming UK-US Tech Bridge Agreement. They're warning that if Britain doesn't move now, it risks falling behind. At the same time, Parliament is reviewing the Digital Assets Bill, and the FCA is consulting on stablecoin rules. The UK clearly wants to position itself as a global crypto hub, but the big question is whether regulation will help innovation or slow it down. Meanwhile, in the US, the Genius Act is already reshaping stablecoins. It requires full reserve backing and audits, which is why Tether is racing to launch USAT. Senate Democrats also introduced a new plan for wider crypto regulation. It aims to protect consumers and stop illegal finance. That puts them at odds with some Republicans who want lighter rules to encourage innovation. This political battle could decide the future of crypto in the U.S. All right, let's check the markets. As of today, Bitcoin is trading around $115,350, holding steady after a strong rally. Ethereum is at $4,548, up slightly in the past 24 hours. Solana is leading the altcoin pack with impressive gains, showing double-digit growth. Overall, the global crypto market cap is sitting at $4.12 trillion, up about 1.5% today. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs are also seeing massive inflows, which signals that big money is still buying the dip. So what should you watch next? Here are the key things. The official launch of Tether's USAT stablecoin, and whether its audits and reserves actually pass the test. The SEC's decision on Nasdaq's tokenized securities proposal. If they approve, it could be a historic shift. UK-US political talks. If blockchain makes it into the Tech Bridge Agreement, expect a big confidence boost. The U.S. Senate debate on stricter crypto regulation. And of course, Bitcoin's price levels. If BTC pushes past resistance, we could see a breakout. In summary, today shows how fast the crypto landscape is changing. It's not just about prices anymore. It's about regulation, politics, and Wall Street adopting blockchain. Tether's new stablecoin, Gemini's IPO, and Nasdaq's tokenization push are all signs that crypto is becoming part of the mainstream system. But with new laws coming in the US and the UK, the rules of the game are being rewritten right in front of us. That's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the biggest moves in crypto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.